What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2024 Toyota Tacoma Limited. This vehicle is powered by a 2.4 liter I-Force turbocharged 4-cylinder with 278 horsepower, 317 pound-feet of torque, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is the first time I'm driving the new generation of the Tacoma. Surprisingly, I've never actually driven any of the trim levels on the new Tacoma, so I'm interested to see how this drives. These are really popular, as when the new Tundra and Sequoia came out, very popular, and they still are. And then the new Tacoma, new design is really nice. This limited trim is really nice inside. You have a nice wood trim, giant screen, leather steering wheel, heated and ventilated front seats. You also have the drive modes over here, tow and haul mode. You also have a digital gauge cluster, of course. Reverse camera is really nice, and you also have a 360 view with this giant screen. It's very easy to view that, and I like it. You also have a nice gear shifter. Here's the key fob, standard Toyota key fob. Some storage up there. You have a sunroof, and these limited trims have these nice pattern on the seats. You have a black interior on this model. But let's look at the window sticker. I also like how it says Tacoma over there. Definitely a huge improvement over the previous generation Tacoma in terms of styling and interior. So you have the I-Force 2.4 liter 4-cylinder turbo, 8-speed automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive demand, part-time 4x4 system with 2-speed, electronically controlled transfer case, Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, 18-inch chrome finish alloy wheels, which we'll take a look at in a second. You have the JBL 10-speaker sound system, including a subwoofer, amp, and JBL Flex portable speaker. QI wireless charging tray, which I really like the placement of that, where my phone's charging right now, actually. And the total price on this vehicle is $55,687 on the window sticker. 21 miles per gallon, 20 city, 23 highway. And I like the leather touches and this grab handle. Let's walk around this car and see what it looks like now. You also have retractable running boards, which is cool. Chrome door handles. This is the underground color. Looks really nice. You also have chrome wheels on this limited. This is a really good looking truck. I really like all the chrome finishes on this one. And I like the daytime running lights. I like how it says Tacoma in the headlights as well. Limited badge on the side. Here are the rear seats. You have some cup holders back there. Here's the truck bed size. It's a small truck, so it looks about normal. And it's a power trunk. Makes sense considering it's a limited trim Tacoma. Oh, that's cool. You just put a little bit of pressure on this and it goes up automatically. I love that. I've never seen that before. And you have a single exhaust, 6 out of the side. I like how it's a metal tip exhaust, which also has the Toyota logo on it. This is a good looking truck. I really like the way this looks. And I'm not really a truck guy. I don't know much about trucks. But, you know, some of them are cool to drive, and this one looks really cool to me. I want to drive the manual transmission Tacoma. It's awesome that Toyota still offers the Tacoma with a manual. I think that comes on the TRD off-road model. That's it. I want to drive that. I also want to drive a TRD Pro. And you also have a built-in dash cam. I noticed that that's in a lot of new Toyotas and Lexuses from the factory, which is really cool, actually. I'm going to put this in sport mode now. Oh, you have Sport S mode. Interesting. Normal, pretty decent acceleration, about what I was expecting. I like the way this 4-cylinder sounds. I'm pretty sure the noise is synthesized, but either way, I still like the way it sounds. For a 4-cylinder turbo, it sounds pretty good. It has like a deep tone to it. And here's the thing about synthesized sounds. Like, I know like some people don't like it, but the way I see it is, as long as it sounds good to me, I don't really care. because like we're in the Tundra and Sequoia, even though it's a V6, it kind of sounds like a V8 because of the synthesized noise, and I actually like that. It's cool. And I like this big screen that you find in like all the nicer Toyotas and many Lexus models. It's very easy to read, very easy to see, and I'm pretty sure this one would have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And it's like well integrated. Like the screen, while it does kind of stick out from the dash, it's like not one where it's just like sticking out from the top where there's nothing around it. I like how some of the dash is built around the screen, which is cool to see that. And I really like these controls, like the AC controls. It feels like nice and robust. Like all the materials in this Toyota feel really good. And it's this is a really good looking Tacoma. Yeah, nice and seamless acceleration. And this vehicle is also, oh, it also has a head-up display. I forgot to mention that. I didn't even notice it till now. This vehicle also comes with a hybrid powertrain option as well, which has more torque and a little bit more power, I believe, plus better fuel economy. Yeah, nice drive. It's pretty smooth. Let's try the normal mode now. I'll take a U-turn up here. Braking is pretty good too. Decent turning radius. You can also put in like a extra sport mode for the transmission and also shift the gears on your own if that's something you wanted to do. Pretty nice ride. It's pretty comfortable. I like this truck. The seats are a little bit hard. I've noticed that in a lot of Toyotas. The seats are pretty hard, I do admit that, but nonetheless it still feels pretty good overall in terms of ride comfort in the cabin and everything like that. So but overall, pretty nice 2024 Tacoma Limited right here. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for nice pickup trucks like this Tacoma.